Good evening, all of. My name is Pooja Shivash Patil. Today's date is 9th March 2022. Today's bio topic name is Life Journey of APJ Abdul Kalam. The greatest person are not born in every day. They are born once in a century and are remembered for millions to come. One such great personality is known as a uh, is won as a Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan and Bharat Ratna awards, the highest civilian honor. Uh, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, he was born in Rameshwaram of Madras Presidency on 15th October 1931 to a poor Tamil Muslim family. He lived with his family in the temple city of Tamil Nadu, Rameshwaram, where his father Jalaluddin had a boot, and he was an imam of a local masjid, and mother Ashim Ashima was a housewife. Kalam had four brothers and one sister in his family, but Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was youngest among all. At a tender age, Kalam had to sell newspapers to supplement his family income. Then the education background of APJ Abdul Kalam. The APJ Abdul Kalam had average grades in schools. He was very hardworking and had uh, very hardworking in our life in our educational journey. He spent a lot of time studying and had developed a particular interested in mathematics. Kalam uh, the APJ Abdul Kalam highest secondary school after completing his early education and went to St. Uh, Joseph's College in Tiruchirappalli from St. Joseph's College. He graduated in physics in 1954. He moved to Madras in 1955 to study aeronautic engineering at Madras Institute of Technology. The some information of APJ Abdul Kalam is a scientist. The APJ Abdul Kalam joined as a scientist in the aeronautical development establishment of DRDO in 1960. His career started with him designing a small hovercraft. Kalam was transferred to ISRO in 1969, where he was the project director of India, first satellite vehicle launch. And this satellite vehicle deployed the Rohini satellite successfully in near Earth orbit in July 1980. He directed two projects like Project Devil and Project Valiant, which aimed at uh, developing missiles, which was successful. Kalam then went on to become the scientific advisor of the defense minister in 1992. He has a immense role in India nuclear weapons and tested India as a nuclear power. Then some information about APJ Abdul Kalam. He was a presidency. Sir Abdul Kalam was initiated to be the 11th president of India. He was brave and courageous enough to take decisions and important uh, implement them, no matter if that was tough or sensitive or highly controversial. He was lovingly called as people's president, as he had done uncountable works for the welfare of the people and through the entire country. As we know, everyone who takes birth on the earth has to die one day. But some peoples remain uh, important importance to the everyone hurts of millions of peoples become because of their contribution of the our country. The Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was one such great personality who died at age 83 on 27 July 2015. That's all about today's topic. I hope I hope you understand. Thank you.